Hi, this is Mihnea. Welcome to Romanian Hub, the ultimate Romanian language learning portal. In this video lesson, we will look at another aspect of Romanian grammar. Hai să începem. Let's start. The positive degree denotes the quality in itself without any comparison. For example, the adjective frumos, frumos, beautiful. The comparative degree compares the qualities of a noun. For example, the comparative degree for the adjective frumos, frumos, beautiful, can be comparative degree of superiority, mai frumos, more beautiful. Of equality, la fel de frumos, la fel de frumos, as beautiful as. Of inferiority, mai puțin frumos, less beautiful. The superlative degree for the adjective frumos, beautiful, can be relative superlative of superiority, cel mai frumos, the most beautiful. Of inferiority, cel mai puțin frumos, the least beautiful. Absolute superlative, foarte frumos, very beautiful. And that's the end of another Romanian language lesson. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence with one of the target words and post it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. In that way, you won't miss the next episode. Ciao! This is Mihnea, signing off from Beijing.